Hey Robert, I just want to ask and verify what you want to approach the design with next, how you want to approach things. I know you took out the sheetrock in the wall probably from here down, just to find a stud about here, and I think from the picture there's a stud about here. This stud here should be two studs, should be two support studs, but I'm only seeing this one in the picture, and it looks like there was an old stud there, but there's definitely a ceiling beam flush in the ceiling from here to here. That beam should be hidden in the ceiling right here, posted down in this wall, because this is supporting the second floor upstairs. If I do a quick overlay upstairs, this is the extent of the second floor upstairs, so this has got to have a beam flush in the ceiling supporting here. So we technically cannot get rid of this entire wall. We could attempt to get a beam from here clear across to this side, but I'm fairly confident there is some plumbing somewhere for this drain and this sink and this toilet running this way front to back, right above in this area over here. So I don't want to say definitely take this wall down, put a beam straight across, put it on the construction drawings, and then they demo the ceiling and they see a toilet drain line here. I mean, it's possible it's going into this wall here, but I can't say without removing all the sheetrock. But there's definitely a sink and bathtub drain right around here somewhere, and where it's draining to, I honestly can't say without there being more demolition work done. It could be drilled and notched through the floor joists and going to here, or it could be going to here. But also there's the possibility that this beam going across is going to block the passage of those drain lines. Also, to get something from here to support this second floor and these cantilever joists, these floor joists, for one thing, I don't believe this beam will be able to be flush going straight across, because it's got to support the cantilevered floor joists extending past it. Here it could be flush framed, but here it couldn't. So in this view here, this should be up. So this beam that's up in here, it can be flush to support these floor joists, and it'll be T-code flush into the face of that. But if it's got to continue onward into this stairwell wall, it's going to have to drop down to support the weight of these floor joists cantilevering past it, which then means you're going to have a low soffit going across this ceiling. So just take that into consideration. But let me know which way you want to go about this. I mean, we could take the majority of this wall out and do a column right here as an end cap to whatever base cabinets we put here, or you could just take out the wall from here forward and leave this wall from here back. I'm working on another project in Rockville Center right now, where I'm doing something similar. We have a column and an end cap situation for this house, because he has lots of structure going on in this house, and I'm trying to maintain as much structure as I can, but open up the floor plan a little bit more. He's got this big roof cupola over here with beams going at each end of the cupola, and he's actually got a column right here, so we're doing a new beam straight across. He's got a column over here, so we're doing a new beam going across. So basically, to keep it simple, I'm proposing putting columns at the end of each column, at the end of each part of the island. You can have the island extended and do the column on top of a pedestal on the side of the cabinetry. It just requires them to do a little bit more custom work on the cabinetry to take that into account, that the structure sitting on their cabinets. But just want to pass that by you and let me know what you think, or if you're still contemplating the direction you want to go on the project, just let me know. All right, thanks.